सो आपका करियर गैप है एंड यू आर वरीड कि उसको कैसे हैंडल करें इंटरव्यूज में। सो आप या तो फ्रेशर हो या एक्सपीरियंस प्रोफेशनल हो। मैं लेकर आई हूँ 3 इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस और उसके साथ उनके परफेक्ट आंसर्स दैट विल हेल्प यू नेल दैट जॉब इंटरव्यू। So, hi, I am Neha, your career coach, and in this video, I'm going to share very powerful answers to tackle those tough career gap questions in the interviews. आई नो कितना स्ट्रेसफुल होता है, स्पेशली जब आपने टाइम लिया, आपने करियर ब्रेक लिया फॉर एनी रीज़न, मटर्निटी, पर्सनल रीज़न, फैमिली और एनीथिंग। सो लेट्स टर्न दैट गैप इनटू योर एडवांटेज एंड हेल्प यू शाइन इन द नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू। So, question number one is, why do you have a career break or a career gap? Interviewers ये question पूछते हैं. They want to understand your situation. और जब आप एक पॉजिटिव और क्लियर आंसर देते हो, दैट इज द की. Okay, so answer can be, I took time off to focus on my personal well-being and to enhance my skills in XXS courses or any specific skill which you have learned during your break, which has made me more prepared for this role, and I am not excited to bring this renewed energy and a superpower and knowledge to your company. So here is a tip that focus on showing the growth and development during your gap. Even it was for personal reason, but show that you grew during that period. Okay. Question number 2 is, how do you stay updated during your gap? So employers tend to ask this question because they want to know कि whether you are connected to your industry or not. तो आप आंसर दे सकते हैं, ड्यूरिंग माई ब्रेक आई केप्ट माई सेल्फ अपडेटेड बाई अटेंडिंग वेबिनार्स, and if you can give the specific webinar you have attended or the online courses, and I was very much engaged with the industry trends. You can also mention that I was in discussion with my senior, or I have handled a freelance project for them, so that I keep my skills sharp. So here is a tip. Even if you don't have a formal work, mention any learning or any self improvement activity you did. Okay. Question number 3 is, how will you handle challenges of re entering the workforce? So, employers want to know if you are ready to come back. Okay. So, for that, you can answer that I understand the transition and I understand the challenges, but now I've prepared myself by reconnecting with my network, and I am updated, and I am keeping myself updated with the new industry tools, and I am confident that I can integrate and contribute the right way. So here is a tip that you need to emphasize your readiness to jump back into the work, and you are ready to come back with the great enthusiasm and a confidence. So these are the 3 most important or most common interview questions about the career gaps, and you can handle it this way. So remember, your gap is your power. Okay, in this gap you have your own story, you have your own development during that period, you have grew yourself, and now it's time to tell your story in your way, how you have gained during this period. So turn the script and let it come into your favor, that you have prepared yourself for this moment that truly matters. So अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा, then please gives a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more career tips.